Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for a wireless mouse that looks premium and gives you multi-device connectivity but costs less than 600 to 700 rupees, you have probably seen this absolute budget champion. This is Portronics Toad One. It features dual mode wireless connectivity, a built-in rechargeable battery and a sleek 7-color RGB setup. But is it ultimate budget mouse for productivity and casual gaming? Let's unbox it. Sliding it out, first up we have the user manual and a 12-month warranty card. Also in the box we get a Type-C charging cable. That is a huge win for a mouse at this price point. No old micro USB port here. Now coming to the mouse, it's incredibly lightweight, coming in around 60 grams, which feels great right off the bat. And if you are wondering where is the 2.4 GHz USB nano dongle is, it's neatly tucked right into the storage slot at the bottom of the mouse, so you don't lose it. Simple and clean. Now let's talk about the design. The Toad One has a really nice and ergonomic shape with a solid thumb groove on the left side. It fits beautifully into the palm and is built to reduce hand fatigue during long coding, editing or office sessions. Portronics also claims a durability of over 30 lakh clicks, so this thing is built to last. Feature wise, this is a 6-button mouse. You have your left and right clicks, a clickable scroll wheel, forward and backward side buttons and a dedicated DPI switch button. But the standout feature here is the triple device pairing. It supports both 2.4 GHz wireless and Bluetooth 5.3. That means you can pair it with your laptop, your tablet and your desktop all at the same time and switch between them seamlessly using the button on the bottom. Let's switch it on and check out that dynamic 7-color RGB strip running along the edge. It gives your desk a really cool, vibrant look without being overly distracting. When it comes to tracking, you can adjust the sensitivity on the fly using the DPI button, clicking through 1000, 1200 and 1600 DPI depending on whether you are doing precise editing work or fast navigating. Also, you can find a small black button on the bottom for switching to multiple devices easily. Each color indicates different devices. Next, battery life is another massive plus. It has a built-in rechargeable battery that lasts up to 9 days on a single charge. And to save power, it has an auto sleep feature that kicks in when you leave it idle for a few minutes. As a final verdict, for under 600 to 700 Indian rupees, the Portronics Toad One is packed with features you usually only see in premium mouse. Type-C charging, multi-device switching and a great ergonomics. If you need a reliable, budget-friendly wireless companion for your daily setup, this is an incredibly easy recommendation. I will leave a link to it in the description below if you want to check out the latest deals. If this video helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel for more tech content, and let me know in the comments what mouse you are currently using. Thanks for watching and I will catch you in the next one.